Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. In today's video, we will be looking at normalized burn ratio. This index is used for mapping wildfire severity and burn scars, comparing the high near-infrared reflectance of healthy vegetation to the elevated short-wave infrared 2 reflectance of charred ground. So the bands we'll be using will be the near-infrared and the short-wave infrared 2. Our video will be working with the Landsat 8 using QGIS, this will be our formula rather, for what we'll be using. So let's get straight into it. Raster Calculator, bracket open, 5 minus 7, I'm correct, bracket close divided by bracket open, and 5 plus 7, bracket close, 1 rate ratio. Let me be sure that's what I'm getting. Sorry, that's NBR. Run this, and upon my so it is I have a result of places with a burn severe, but based on my study area, this most likely gave me places with high temperature because of my area hasn't had any severe burning bush or high severe burn severity as the case may be. But the idea is having the result, which is what we're able to do. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe. As always, happy mapping.